Hello everybody, it's Nikki from Sansar. What I'd like to do today is give you a quick demo on how to make an event teleporter. So let's go to create. We're going to make a new world, so click on build worlds. Now we're going to hit create. We're going to name the world. I'm just doing a demo teleport. You can name it anything you like, and I'm going to choose the most basic template we have, which is called the base template scene. Go ahead and select create. There's your world at the top. We're going to go ahead and hit the pencil to edit the scene. All right, we're building in real time, so you can experience what it's really like building in Sansar. All right, first thing we're going to do is look around the scene. This is what we get. We have a floor, right? And we have a spawn point. Those are the only two things in this scene, which is why I think this base template is perfect for starting out one of these teleporters. All right, so now that we've located the two things, we're going to go to we're going to go to system sources in our inventory. We're going to go to this trigger volume and drag it out. And then in the properties window, we have the option to change its size, which is called extends. This is usually what I input: 25 for X, 25 for Y, and 50 for Z. Alright, now we're going to move our camera back so we have a better view. At this point, now that we have our trigger volume and the size that we need, we're going to delete the floor. You know that you're on the floor. Just looking in your object structure, you can see that's the only thing you have selected is the floor. Go ahead and delete it. Now you can see it. Alright, now we're going to zoom in on the spawn point. Oop, that's not the spawn point. See? Object structure. Important window. Alright, now that we have the ground spawn point, we can move it up. But ideally, it doesn't matter how high up you go, just as long as it's high enough so that when the avatar spawns in, it will fall and go right into the volume. And let's see, we can actually change this. So, and if we put this at 0, 0, it'll be directly in the center of the world. So now they're lined up perfectly. Okay, now from here, we're going to go into object structure. I mean, you can do this from object structure or even from here, right? But we're going to add a script. So we go to the add window, and it'll open up these options. Choose script, and there it is right there. Choose the drop down. Now we're going to go to Sansar script library. This is a free script for everybody to use, comes standard. And then in the drop down below that, we're going to choose the teleport. And let's go ahead and roll this up so you can see the whole screen. Now we're not worried about local TP on Collide. What we want to do is have people drop into this when we're making an event and get them teleported to another world, to the actual event, right? So there's a remote TP on Collide. We want to make sure that's turned on. And then there's two other places that we're concerned with. One is destination owner and destination scene. So let's go ahead and get a URL from the codex. We'll use the social hub as an example. I'll copy the URL to my clipboard, and then I'll input both of these, or I'll input the URL into each of these sections here. All right, now This here gives you a key on what this line is supposed to say. It only wants the owner's name. So go ahead and delete everything but the owner's name. Make sure you keep numbers if there's numbers in the end. And make sure there are no spaces. That'll give you an error. And then the second line is just wants the scene. What's it called? It's called the social hub. Let's delete everything but social hub. All right, here we are. We're ready to go. Let's go ahead and build. Save and continue. This is in real time, so this is how long it takes. All right, it's built. Visit now. So here is our demo teleport world we just created. It's launching the server, loading us in, and we fall and hit the trigger volume. And now we're heading to the social hub. And it's that easy. There we go. Connecting to server. All right, and we're here. And this is where we have our campfires every Friday. So it's a popular spot. Dressed up for summer right now, and winter is coming. Let's go. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll catch you later at the next one. If you have any ideas for some new video tutorials that you'd like to see, let me know. Be happy to put that out for you. All right. See you. Bye.